Madagascar. Cool mountains. Looks like some cherry blossom type things over there. Mostly was missing cherry blossom season here in Japan, but I got it pretty good in Korea in the first 2 weeks. We'll see what Korea looks like in about 4 days, 5 days.